Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin in the headlines today. New diesel locomotive inaugurated at Traffic and Raw Material Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Quality Circle Awards presented to departments of Rourkela Steel Plant. And renovated tipper of SMS2 department inaugurated. Now the news in detail. In a function organized at Traffic and Raw Material Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP on 3rd April 2021, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, inaugurated a new diesel locomotive. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. S.K. Behra, CGM in charge projects, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge MM and marketing, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, CGM in charge P&A, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A, Mr. Arun Kumar Pradhan, CGM in charge services, Mr. T. Lahiri, CGM TNRM, and other officers and employees of the department also attended the function organized in strict adherence to COVID-19 guidelines. Mr. Chatraj drove the new diesel locomotive to mark its inauguration. He exhorted the collective to make best use of the locomotive and help the plant further to enhance its performance. He also urged them to ensure overall safety in the department. The function was coordinated by Mr. M. Kumar, GM, TNRM. It may be noted that locomotives are essential equipments for movement of internal and external rolling stocks and are directly related to production and dispatch of finished products of the steel plant. These locomotives are being maintained by Loco Maintenance Section of Traffic and Raw Materials Department. The section has two shops, Loco Light Repair Shop and Loco Heavy Repair Shop. Notably, RSP is maintaining a loco fleet size of 40 numbers of locomotives of various power and make to cater to the internal and external logistics of RSP. The new locomotive manufactured by Messrs. Banaras Locomotive Works, that is BLW, Indian Railways, Varanasi, has been procured in 2021 at a total cost of Rs 996.80 lakhs. The locomotive will be used for transportation of raw materials, finished and semi-finished products through captive as well as railway wagons. Special features of these locomotives are crew cabin fitted with AC, complete electronic panel, fabricated bogie frame with advanced safety features. As a part of Annual Performance Award of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, presented the Quality Circle Awards to the departments for their noteworthy contributions in using and promoting the Quality Circle concept for enhancing the plant performance in 2020-21. The awards were given for two categories, namely for the number of cases as well as the merit of the cases. With more than 100 innovative ideas provided by Quality Circle team in the year, Oxygen Plant became the first prize winner under number of cases category, while Research and Control Laboratory received the second prize. In the merit of the cases category, Electronics and Electrical Services Department received the first prize, while Roll Shop was the second prize winner. The innovative and enterprising jobs done by the Quality Circle teams have not only brought about substantial savings for the company, but also improved the productivity and performance of the departments. A renovated tipper of SMS2 department was inaugurated on 2nd April by Mr. S. Manjhi, CGM SMS2. Mr. V.K. Raul, DGM FMM, and many executives and employees of SMS2 and FMM were present on the occasion. Notably, the entire renovation of the tipper has been carried out by the employees of the SMS2 and FMM department. It may be noted that the said tipper of SMS2 department engaged in handling of raw materials was not functioning properly due to damage. The transmission assembly internals were also damaged. The cost of procuring new tipper would have been about ₹30 lakhs. The SMS2 Zone Collective of the FMM department took up the challenge to revamp the tipper to increase the availability of the equipment. Accordingly, transmission assembly was reconditioned and put to operation after revamping its various systems like transmission, hydraulic system, load carriage system and engine exhaust system, etc. The total repair was carried out in-house with a marginal cost of ₹1.5 lakh only. Mr. Suryakant Sahu, MOMT SMS2, coordinated the program. That's all in today's news bulletin. Namaskar.